Hey, Graham, how's it going? Long time no see, my man. How are you doing?
Good. How's Hawaii?
Ah, amazing, man. Beautiful sun.
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Just coming from the studio, grabbing some lunch.
What kind of studio do you got?
It's a video studio. Video, audio.
I'm sick. I've actually got a couple of videos I want to shoot.
Yeah? I have a free afternoon right now if you want to check it out.
I'd love to. Let's go. Just around the corner.
Yeah, let's go.
Okay, so big question from a lot of people. How does replacing Poly B affect a townhome's value?
Absolutely. So townhome or a condo building, if the Poly B pipe has not been replaced, you're guaranteed to be looking at a special assessment sometime down the road. As of right now, 2024, we are looking at a lot of insurance companies canceling or limiting coverages on strata corporations. So whether it be a multi-story or a townhome complex. So be aware when buying a townhome or selling it that this will be a big factor. So a lot of people will be looking at, like you were mentioned earlier, the minutes of the condo building. Has it been broadened up yet? What's the insurance company saying? Because you're guaranteed a special assessment. So take that into consideration on the value of a townhome or even a high-rise building.
Yeah, I mean, hopefully realtors are educated on that.
We're doing our part. We're trying to get all the meetings in there with the realtors, but people are going to watch our videos. They're going to get some information as well. I would just be very, very, very cautious buying into a strata that has not replaced the Poly B right now.
Yeah, no, absolutely. Thank you.
No problem.